Let's talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an unknown person, Satoshi Nakamoto. It was a concept to eliminate middlemen and replace paper currency, explicitly banks and bills. In other words, we can call it evolution of currency. Let's discuss the evolution of currency to understand the concept of this new currency better. In Stone Age, there was the barter system. You may know the meaning of the barter system. 100 goats were equal to 1 camel. Likewise, if one person had 2 camels, he could have exchanged it to 1 horse or anything he or she needs. It is same like today we pay $35,000 or $40,000 for a BMW. Later on, with time as the human beings were evolving, their social systems and financial systems evolved side by side. For the sake of convenience, human beings introduced metal coins such as silver and gold coins. When were metal coins first used as currency? So there are different opinions. According to the Coinage Ancient Encyclopedia, coins were introduced as a payment method around 6th or 5th century BCE by Lydians. The invention of coins is still masked in mystery. According to Herodotus, coins were first minted by Lydians, while Aristotle claims that the first coin was minted by Demodike of Cyrenaica, the wife of King Midas of Phrygia. Anyhow, we are not interested in their wives. Our focal point is Bitcoin. Well, records existed of banking facilities in Babylon 4,000 years ago, and there is evidence that the Chinese, Greeks, and Romans had banking facilities long before the Christian era. The first real paper money appeared in China about 700 AD. But several centuries passed before the paper was used in Europe. In 1964, the Bank of England began issuing notes. Paper money in the United States dates back to 1960. In a nutshell, currency evolved parallel to human beings' evolution, along with their social and financial institutions such as banking systems, social systems, and political systems, explicitly from monarchy to democracy. Now, our generation is witnessing a boom in information technology, digitalization, and artificial intelligence. The evolution process has accelerated. How? We have witnessed and used different forms of currencies in the last decade. First, paper currency. Today, due to globalization, we can use different kinds of currencies in one place. Plastic currency or debit and credit cards. Digital currency. The digits shown in an ATM machine on your mobile screen can be known as digital currency. Above all, first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and blockchain technology has revolutionized the evolutionary process of currency. It is a digital currency which has existed in 01 language. In short, it is a currency of the future. In our next video, we will talk about blockchain technology and different cryptocurrency wallets. Stay tuned for more updates and more such informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.